Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start right at the south ridge, move quickly and keep your momentum. Once positioned, use shock-resistant armor and a gust boost to cross exposed pylons. Make sure to set a manual save before the interior approach, because one wrong move sends you back. You want to enter through the lower maintenance hatch. It's less defended and gives a simpler path to the inner conduits. Use short bursts of stamina to climb. Conserve stamina elixirs for the final vertical section. You now work through the conduits by rerouting power and clearing obstructions. First, observe the power lines to identify which relays control the terminal cluster. Flip them in sequence to divert energy. Once done, throw metal objects or use stasis on rotating conductors to halt damage briefly, then dash past. If debris blocks a shaft, attach a heavy object and reposition it with Ultra Hand to create a staircase. Keep movement deliberate. Rush only when a safe window appears. You reach the final terminal by ascending the central shaft with boosted jumps and timed ledge grabs. Pace yourself to avoid falling back into electrified zones. Once at the console, position behind a metal panel to block arc jolts and activate it. The device needs a clean connection to the rerouted power. If activation fails or the path collapses, reload your manual save and change the relay order or remove a different obstruction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.